Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a super fun fall farmhouse tablescape using all kinds of items I picked up from the dollar spot at Target and Amazon and Hobby Lobby. Everything will be linked down below. If you have any comments or questions about any items I used today, don't hesitate to put them down in the comment section. Let's get started. So I'm going to be starting my centerpiece with this plaid runner I picked up from Amazon. I'm going to put the link down below and look at the other stuff this company makes because they do everything is amazing and inexpensive. And then I'm going to be using this farmhouse tray I picked up from Homegoods and another tray I picked up from Hobby Lobby, a little tray on tray action. And to create the layered look that I really love in a tablescape, I'm going to be using those black and white candle holders that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. And then the part that makes this the farmhouse tablescape are those cute tin houses that they had at the dollar spot at Target, and then they had a couple little ceramic white ones. If you pick these up, they are so cute. I use them in some of my tiered trays and kind of all over my house. I'm going to fill in around the houses and the white pumpkins with this Hobby Lobby burlap and plaid garland that I picked up, I think, last Christmas, but they still had it when I was there this fall. Start to fill in all the little gaps around your pumpkins and those candle holders, and find little spots where the houses aren't too close together so it creates the variation in depth. It sounds to me like freedom. Oh, you keep me warm. All the stars in the sky, all the lights on the highway. Oh, they keep us coming alive. Grab my hand in the dark, light it straight to my heart. Since I'm going to be using black plates for this tablescape, I decided to go with white pumpkins to kind of fill in around. I'm intermixing the little white ceramic ones that were at the dollar spot at Target, as well as a couple real ones. It was a blur of summer, it was hurricane us, and as I looked over my shoulder, trying to catch your gaze, I saw the sun shining over clear as a California day. Oh, it's the first night of the rest of our lives, and there's a wildfire above us when the sun goes down. It feels like... And there you have it, guys. That is the centerpiece or the core to our tablescape. Everything's done, all the little house lights are on, and I'm ready to set the table for dinner. I'm going to be using these chargers that I picked up from Michael's last year, and I wasn't actually able to get them from the store, but I was able to order them online, so you should be able to still find them. And then I'm going to use the Heath and Hand black plates that you can pick up at Target. For the silverware, I decided to continue with the black and white theme, and I picked this stuff up at Amazon. It is awesome quality. It's super thick. Oh, hey, Jack. Super thick quality, and I've washed it a bunch of times and it doesn't tarnish. I'll put the link down below, but if you're looking for some really great kind of dark slate or black silverware, this stuff is awesome. All the lines on the highway, oh, they keep us coming alive. Grab my hand in the dark, lightning straight to my heart. Oh, you get me every time. All the stars in the sky, all the lights on the highway. I kind of felt like the table was getting too dark, so I decided to throw out these World Market bowls that are actually plates, but they're amazing. You can pick them up anytime. They've got them in pink and like 50 shades of gray. They're awesome. And then I'm using these Heath and Hand plaid towels that they were out last year. I don't know if they're going to come back out this year. And then my amazing DIY natural cotton napkin holders that I will put in the link above now. Oh, hey, Teddy. Running with the farmhouse theme, I decided to pull out some of my canning jars and use them as water cups instead of the other ones that I have. I didn't have anything that was super farmhousey, and this was a perfect solution. Well, that wraps up our farm table fall DIY tablescape. You guys, I am loving the way this turned out. I might be a crazy plaid hoarder, but it all paid off today. If you have any questions about this DIY or anything I use, please, or just love this video, please put it in the comments down below. If you haven't already, please hit that like button, and as always, please subscribe so that I can continue to bring you awesome content every Tuesday and Sunday. Have a lovely fall, and I can't wait to see you again soon.